Welcome to this video guide on how to test a capacitor using a digital multimeter. We will cover the essential steps for accurate and safe diagnostics. Safety first. Always discharge the capacitor. Capacitors store electrical charge even after power is removed. Turn off all power. Use a 20,000 ohm 5-watt resistor across the terminals for 5 seconds, and then remove the capacitor from the circuit board. Before testing, read the component label. Identify the rated capacitance, the tolerance level, and the maximum permissible voltage. Ensure you stay within these specified limits. For the setup, turn your multimeter dial to the capacitance measurement mode. If the symbol shares a spot on the dial, be sure to press the function button to select it. To execute the test, connect the red probe to the positive terminal and the black probe to the negative terminal. Wait a few seconds for the multimeter to automatically select the correct range. When interpreting results, a value within tolerance means the capacitor is good. A significant deviation indicates failing, while a reading of 0 suggests it is open, and OL indicates a short. If your meter lacks a capacitance mode, you can use the resistance curve. In this mode, the meter provides current to charge the capacitor, and you observe the change in resistance over time. Alternatively, you can perform a continuity check. A brief beep followed by silence usually indicates a good capacitor. A continuous beep suggests a short, while no sound at all often signals an open connection. You can also use the time constant method, T equals R times C. By applying a known voltage through a resistor and measuring the time it takes to charge to 63.2%, you can calculate the actual capacitance. Sometimes, electronic tests aren't needed. Perform a visual check for signs of failure, such as a bulging top vent, a lifted case, or broken and burnt terminals. This matrix summarizes our diagnostic methods, ranging from the high-accuracy capacitance mode to the quick pass-or-fail visual and continuity checks. In summary, a multimeter measures capacitance by charging the component and checking the resulting voltage. Always verify 0 power, discharge safely, and trust your measurements.